a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa. Guys, you already know if I'm doing an introduction to a new video like this, it's because I'm in a hurry and also want to show you guys what I'm wearing, so that it can be quick, fast pose it, and then we leave. Why are you crying? So anyway, guys, I'm wearing this dress from Shein, and yeah, that's just about it. I'm wearing this dress from Shein. I'm wearing my pink LV slides and my to-go wig. If you've been on my channel, you know this wig. This is literally my to-go wig when I don't want problems, because I can't install, and I've explained this. So yeah, ngivele ngifake nje lo mafurufuru wami, and off we go. So anyway, guys, I'm going to get my card at Standard Bank. They sent me an SMS. I had to block it because there were some transactions that were happening that I knew nothing about, so I had to block the card. So now I'm going to fetch my new card. Okay, wait. Inanan, guys, I need to give my baby baby. So that's anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Ongezwa. I don't know if I introduced myself. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ongezwa, and if you are a returning subby, thank you so much for the love and support. Guys, we are on the road to 900 subbies, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't leave without subscribing and like and comment. So let's start this vlog. This weekend I'm also going to Rustenburg or Vernagen, I don't know, guys, but I'll let you know when I know where I'm going exactly, because I think it's Rustenburg for unveiling. So on this vlog, it's gonna be a spend a weekend with me. Also, guys, for those who are wondering what happened, because I said I'm gonna participate in Vlogtober, I got demotivated because when I started shooting for my second episode, we had no electricity on my complex for like 2 to 3 days. So it wasn't load shedding. We had our own problem la ku estate. So but we are back. Vlogtober episode 2. This is gonna be Vlogtober episode 2, guys. October, so let us continue. I was demotivated, honestly. You know what, because I mean, I didn't have electricity, guys. My phones were off, I charged using my laptop. I remember even going to McDonald's to charge my laptop and my phone. So yeah, hey, a lot has been happening. But anyway, we are back. Also, I decided to start shooting this because at least I have something to do. I'm going somewhere and I have something to show you guys. So before ngikhuluma kakhulu, guys, let me go because my son is tired. It's already his nap time, but unfortunately there's nothing I can do because I need that card, because I'm traveling, so I'm gonna need the card. But nonetheless, if you are new to my channel, welcome, and hope you stay, hope you love it here, and click that subscribe button to become part of this beautiful family. Love you guys. Let me go to the bank, and we're also gonna go to Checkers to buy little groceries because it's in those pelile. I think it's the 13th. Yeah, it's the 13th today and it's Friday. So niyazi 13, 14, 15 izinto suke seziphelile. So we also gonna do that. So anyway, guys, let's go. now, and the guy is going to get my card, and then I'm going to fetch my friend. So I don't know if I'm allowed to do this, but the guy is not here, so his face is not showing. I'm just doing a quick update. So yeah, I ended up carrying this bag. Did I tell you guys? I'm pinky. I'm on my pink Barbie era. So yeah. I just want to show you first what I got, because I need to leave now. It's 6 o'clock. We are driving 3 hours. The reason I'm driving solo, I mean late at this time, is because I was waiting for my younger brother, and we're using one car, which is mine. So bekumele ngimlinde because we're going there together. So I got oats from Woolies. I got these macaroni. Uza ufuna ukupheka ini? Alfredo. And then I got these for my son. Baby wipes, sunlight, handy. What's wrong? Ngibeke esihlalweni sakhe. Sana ninengxaki anivani.
Come, baby. Let's feed the baby. Come and eat.
Mtate, I need to finish up. And then I got potatoes, marshmallows, these sponges, bread, mincemeat, irama, mushrooms, pampers, tissue, another. Sana, I'm sure you guys can't hear me, ne? Chicken fillets, chicken. What else? Tomato, green pepper, onion, milk, and wine. We also got him KFC. Hey guys, I don't think you guys can hear me because my baby is crying, and also I need to attend to him. So yeah, maybe I'll just put music if this is too noisy when I'm editing, but I'll see. Yeah. Guys, I had to feed my baby before I leave. I was already late. I mean, it was after 6 already, so I was like, I'm not gonna leave him crying. So I decided, you know what, let me take care of him, feed him, and just make sure he's fine before I go. So that's why instead of me driving to go fetch my younger brother, I was like, nope, let me take care of my son first before ngihamba. So here I was just feeding him, and then when I was done, I went straight to my younger brother's place to fetch him so that he can drive and we go. Guys, I'm here to fetch my younger brother. Ginyuka ma-steppies. If they sebenzi. So saze late. Also is the fact that we still have to drive for 3 hours. Yo, son. Kuning. Has kuning. And I'm out of breath because wow. Angibabulela amabhodlela khona la. The weekend ziyabuya kumnandi. Oh my god. Alright guys. I think we will talk when I get there. Mafikeng or Rustenburg. Guys, here I asked my younger brother to take me a video so that I can do an update, but he didn't do that. Instead, I could see the way he was moving the video that maybe this person is taking outfit of the day, and then I decided let me just turn around, show you guys my outfit, because yeah, he was just not doing what I asked him to do. But that's why I'm putting a voiceover, because I was literally telling him to stand still so that I can do an update, but he did not do that. Hi guys, quick update. So guys, I know we're outside and I was supposed to do this update yesterday at night. You don't move when I'm doing an update because I'm talking. So I was supposed to do an update at night. We are at Casca Square. I'm gonna show you guys where we're at, the guest house. It's nice, beautiful. But we came here very late. I think it was after 12, so there was no point of me doing this. So anyway guys, I wanna show you my outfit. Also, we're outside. I couldn't even show you my room. But if you are in Mafikeng, Rustenburg, Lichtenberg. I thought we were going to Rustenburg or Mafikeng. Turns out we're in between Rustenburg and Mafikeng. So it's in between, it's Lichtenberg. So we slept at Casca Square guest lodge. Yeah, so we are going to Tato's house now for the unveiling. I'm quickly gonna show you guys the place outside just to have a feel of how it looks. And yeah. I hope lo mntwana uzowadla lamazambane. Lubanzi. Sizama ukudla kwakho la. Now uyazama. I hope
We're trying, baby.
Ingane yami ayikufuna ukudla shame, hey. But they look nice.
Kwenzakalani manje?
Sana ithi ngishiye nemesi yakho nomntwana wakho.
But this looks nice. How's the cheese, son?
It tastes nice.
Is it nice?
I think the cheese. Look, before cheese.
Give it the taste, no?
I need to start with isobho lela se-KFC, so it's gonna be nice. Hi guys, I'm ending the vlog here. I got back and I couldn't update you guys that I was back in Joburg because I was tired. And yeah, this vlog is very messy. Like, it's a very messy vlog. If you're watching and you didn't enjoy and you're also thinking, wow, what a messy vlog, trust and believe. When I was editing this vlog, I was like, okay, this is a very messy one, but we move. As long we have something to upload. I don't know if I'm still participating on Vlogtober. I'm not sure. This is literally my second vlog in October, and I don't think I'm still participating in Vlogtober because you're supposed to post vlogs every week or 2 times a week or 3 times a week, and this is literally my second vlog this month. So guys, I will participate next year, you know. So for now, let's just, I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna call it Vlogtober. I'm just posting vlogs now. Yeah, this one I tried, but it's gonna miss me because akwenzekanga ngendlela ebengifuna ngayo. So guys, I just wanna apologize for giving you guys such a massive vlog. I'm gonna start a new one, so hopefully that one is will be right. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I will see you on my next one, which is probably this week. Yeah, because this thing of me staying for like 2 weeks without posting, I equal right. But I did explain at the beginning why I couldn't post and why I was just demotivated from taking videos. But yeah, we move guys. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Leave a little heart at the end of the video if you watched till this far to say yeah. Bokon. Love you lots guys. Let me continue with my life. It is the morning, Monday today, and I'm planning to post this video today. Yeah. Excuse me, I'm planning to post it today, so I need to finish editing, then I'll post it probably later today. I don't know, but yeah, we'll see. Bye, see you on my next one.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do?